Good morning. Please find a comfortable seated position. You can be seated on the floor with your legs crossed, or seated in a chair with both feet firmly planted on the ground. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees with both palms up. Lengthen your spine. Drop your shoulders. Pull your belly button in. Sitting up taller and feeling strong at your core. And when you're ready, please close your eyes. Take a moment here for yourself to simply be and simply breathe. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Now let's try to deepen our breath with each inhale and exhale. Breathing in fully and completely. Breathing out fully and completely. And as you inhale through the nose, notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nose. And as you exhale, notice the warmth of the air as you breathe out. Again, breathing in fully and completely, feeling your chest expand with each inhalation. And breathing out, releasing what no longer serves you. Letting your breath anchor you deeper and deeper into this moment. So go ahead and give yourself a few moments to simply be and to simply breathe. Take a few deep, intentional breaths here, allowing your body to rest and settle into this moment. Now, if and when you find yourself having wandered off with your thoughts, that's okay. Simply come home to your breath, allowing it to anchor you back into the present moment. Notice yourself once more breathing in, and notice yourself breathing out. Notice the air on your skin. And the quiet sounds of morning that surrounds you. Notice the places where your body meets the surface beneath you. And feel yourself supported, grounded, and held. Take a moment to simply arrive, to be fully and completely present in this moment. As you settle more deeply into this moment, I'd like you to ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? Perhaps you want to feel peaceful, present, patient. Perhaps it's feeling more rested, balanced, non-judgmental, or open-hearted. Choose the feeling that matters most to you today and breathe this intention in and allow it to settle gently into your heart. Now visualize that intention coming to life with every thought, every word, and every action. Take a moment now to ask yourself, what thoughts will I choose to think today that will support this intention? And ask yourself, what words will you speak today, whether it's to yourself or to others, that will also bring this intention to life? And lastly, what will you do today? How will you show up for yourself in order to bring this intention to life? Turning back to your breath now, feel the spaciousness within you, the space between one thought and the next, space where choice exists, space where intention becomes action. And from this place, ask yourself, what story do I want to live today? How do I want to see myself? How do I want to show up for others? What if I chose presence today instead of perfection? What What would shift if I chose to believe in myself instead of doubting myself? In what ways am I holding myself back? Imagine releasing any thoughts that pull you away from the experience you want to create. Recognize those limiting thoughts and allow them to drift by like clouds crossing the morning sky. No need to hold on to them. No need to argue with them. Simply let them come and let them go. And then choose again. So what new thought can you start repeating today that would support you in the life you are building? And likewise, what old thoughts can you release today that would support you in the life you are building? Take a deep breath in, and I'd like you to repeat silently these words. With each thought, feeling, and action, I am creating myself in my reality. Creator within your own creation, what will you create today? Now with your next inhale, slowly reach both arms overhead, lengthening through your fingertips. And as you exhale, bring your palms together and lower them gently to your heart center. Thank you for spending your morning with me. May your day be created out of love, courage, and trust. Namaste.